Here's the ultimate guide for uncompounding a clip within CapCut. You can see it says compound clip. So I'm going to show you how to uncompound that clip. All the others have IMG on there, or they're depicted with the file name there like that. Now I've compounded this clip to turn the volume down. So you can do a right click on the clip and then go to uncompound a clip. So I've got multiple compounds. So if I click on the click on the clip and then press Alt, Shift and G, you can see that it's, so you can do a right click if you've forgotten the right click, or if you remember it, the Alt, Shift and G. If you like this video, at the end there's a playlist for other CapCut tips and tricks.